If you find yourself logged out of your Squarespace account, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Squarespace login page. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Check your email. After clicking the link, you will receive an email from Squarespace with instructions to reset your password. Open your email inbox, find the email, and click on the provided link. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets the security requirements, then confirm it by entering it again. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the Squarespace login page and enter your email address along with your newly created password. Click Continue to access your account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Squarespace support for further assistance.